Good afternoon. The sky is brightening up a bit here this afternoon in Fargo, at least. We're seeing a few breaks in those clouds in some spots and getting a little break from the rain. It's not so much the case in the northern valley and over to the east, where we're still dealing with rain showers right now. But here's a nice pocket of a break right now. And that doesn't necessarily mean we're done. Just keep that in mind here for those of us who aren't seeing much in the form of rain right now. But you can see this system over Grand Forks and then stretching back over toward Bemidji. And to give you an idea of what's going on here, you can see the rain kind of moving to the northeast right here in Norman County. Well, if we look over toward Devil's Lake, that rain is kind of working its way southwestward. So we've got a little circulation happening here, and gradually this will all be swinging back through the southern valley. And with some daytime heating that we're now getting, we could get some of those showers redeveloping, even a thunder shower or two. But what's happening right now is some rain over Crookston, Highway 2 here in Polk County, getting some good rain back through the Grand Forks County area all the way to Devil's Lake, and a couple of pockets of heavier rain around Northwood and then stretching down from there. Fargo, again, mostly cloudy right now, but there's some pockets of clearing even on the very southern end of the metro right now. Other places in parts of the southern valley seeing some clearing happening too, and that's going to add to some instability out there. We've got those temperatures on the rise in those areas. Right now, though, still looking quiet there. We are seeing a few areas of development over in Grant County too in Minnesota to point out, and of course some rain in our far eastern viewing area as well. So an active situation here in the valley, and temperatures are responding to those areas of clearing. We're at 68 degrees right now in Wahpeton. It's 61 in Fargo, 59 in Grand Forks. Over to the northeast, that's where we're much cooler, and Aberdeen at 73 degrees. So that's where we've had a lot more sunshine. Our winds are starting to become a little more northeasterly for some. We're seeing wind speeds gusting into the 20s at times, so a bit breezy out there. And visibility down in the east where we're getting the rain, and out to the west over by Cooperstown seeing some lower visibility too. So this afternoon in our hour-by-hour planner, you can see the rain showers kind of hanging around. Some of the same places getting the rain, but other spots seeing some rain develop, starting to pick up in parts of the southern valley, and a thunderstorm possible in some of these areas. And that will continue to eventually scoot over to the east here into the nighttime hours tonight. Doesn't necessarily mean we're done though with that chance for some rain. Tomorrow morning waking up to mostly cloudy skies, but there may still be a couple of pockets of light rain that swing through in the morning hours. By the noon hour, back to about 60 degrees, and notice how we clear out pretty quickly around the 5 o'clock time frame tomorrow, though there still will be an isolated shower hanging around the valley at that point in time, maybe a little warmer too once we get that sun. So over the next 24 hours or so, we're looking at an additional half-inch or so of rain in places like Bemidji where that rain has been ongoing. Other places getting much lesser amounts, unless you happen to be under one of those thunderstorms that develop. Those can quickly produce a decent amount of rain in localized areas. And for the rest of the week, staying in the 60s. Thursday, a break from the rain, and then for Friday, back into some showers and thunder showers. The weekend looks great. Mother's Day actually looks pretty beautiful. Some mostly sunny skies and low 70s, pretty comfortable.
We needed that drink we got today.
We did, and you know, we could use some more in some spots, and hopefully we get some more of that today, and if not, on Friday.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Lisa. Coming up.